Dave Aguiar. I live here in Eugene with my wife, Wendy. We needed a driveway done, and given the way our house is set up, the driveway is kind of a focal point. It's where how people arrive at the house. It's where people park. Alex and his crew at Sequoia met all my expectations. In fact, they exceeded them. I would recommend Sequoia and Alex and his crew to anybody, a friend, a relative. He settled on a date and time. He showed up on time. He gave me a very fast and accurate estimate. He was really explicit about how the work was going to be done, how long it was going to take. Anytime I sent a question to him, he was always prompt and got right back. It drains where they said it was going to drain. It drains off completely. There's no puddling. So we're very pleased with the job that he did. They cleaned up after themselves, and I could see if they made a little, boo-boo here or there in the way something was fitting. They fixed it right away. They looked at it and said, that's not right. I'm going to get it right. It turned our cottage in the woods into an estate, I feel. I mean, that's the way it feels when you come up the driveway now.